Today, we continued work on maintaining the pre-drilled wells. Unexpectedly, we had some curious visitors, local cows. They appeared out of nowhere and seemed intrigued by the drilling process. Likely, they came to drink water from the truck, which was spraying water to compact the soil.
Olha, bonitão, bonitão, cuidado.
While they found the activity fascinating at first, they soon decided drilling wasn't their area of interest and wandered off, drawn by the abundance of fresh grass nearby. However, some persistently followed the water truck, clearly thirsty.
Olha, Stefan está com vermelho, ele vai atacar, gajo.
The next step in our process is concreting around the well. We've already dug a trench, reinforced it with a metal grid, and prepared the structure for cementing the edges to prevent soil collapse.
Olha. Espera, agora vamos direitar, Stefan.
As you can see, the area is nearly ready. We've installed posts for a safety fence around the site to ensure no one accidentally falls. The worksite, measuring 500 by 500 meters, has been leveled and compacted to precise dimensions provided by the drilling company. Soon, containers for equipment and housing for the drilling team will be installed here. The ground is almost entirely compacted and leveled, with a roller set to finalize the surface. This well-prepared site is now ready for the arrival of the primary drilling rig, which will commence the search for oil. Our equipment stands ready to move on to the next phase. Stay tuned for further updates on this exciting project.